What's happening, guys? Today in this video we're going to be going over the different things to look for to have a quality build. Alright, so people ask, like, how do I have a quality build or a good sounding build? And again, sound is very subjective, but we can go over a couple of things that would help you with making sure that what you get, you'll get like the best performance out of it. And I think the first thing you need to have is, depending on the size, but you always want to make sure you have a good stout electrical, because it takes power to make power, so you want to make sure no matter what system you're doing that you have the electrical to run it. Because we see all too often people, they see a JP83 or a JP63 and they're like, man, I want this huge amp, and they'll buy it and without doing any research, and they will go install it into their vehicle and end up blowing the amp because they use like 4-gauge power wire. They only use one of the terminals to hook it up. We've seen the craziest stuff, but it's just because people don't look into the details of what it takes to run something like this, so they just don't know. So I suggest doing that first, because you need to do your homework. That would be a great thing. Like, do as much research as you can, and then you want to make sure that you have enough electrical to run something like that. Even a smaller amp, if you get over 1,000, 1,500 watts, you want to start doing little upgrades here and there. But obviously the bigger you get from there, you want to make sure you have even more electrical to deal with that. Which could be like, the next things would be having quality wire. You want to make sure that you're having it wired up properly, and tuning of it is another huge thing, which can all be stuck together with having a good installer. If you're not going to install it yourself, or some people should not be installing stuff themselves. I'm one of them. So if you don't know what you're doing, it would be way more beneficial. You could get way more output and performance from probably even your current system or a smaller system when it's installed and tuned to perfection, versus somebody just throwing it in there. We've all known people that have systems, they're like, oh, this guy has 2 8s, but it sounds like 2 15s coming down the road. There's people that get tons of performance out of smaller stuff or a smaller amount of stuff because they've been doing it for a long time and they have the experience. And in this game, I mean, not just this game, but so many times the experience is the biggest factor. So making sure it's installed properly is a great thing as well. And then we'll end on quality equipment. You want to make sure that you get good quality equipment. Of course, I'm going to plug Down for Sound products. We're going to be bringing you the best products that we can at each price point that we can as well. We're always going to make sure that what you're getting, no matter if it's our $30 Pro Audio set of mids and has the SFXs, that for 30 bucks, you're going to get the best that you can get for that. All the way up to our Down for Sound JP83 monstrous amplifier. You're getting way more power than it's putting out. It's a quality Korean board and build, so it's known to be high quality and take abuse. You can get something like that. It's going to run, currently the pricing is 1,500 bucks, but you can go to, say, Walmart, and they will say that they have an 8,000 watt amp for like 200 bucks or something. So obviously the quality of what you're getting is way different. Don't be fooled by inflated numbers. They're never good. Not in economy or in car audio. So go off of something, get you some quality equipment, and you could probably get a lot more out of it, a lot more sound and overall experience out of less. When you spend a little bit more, you can have less equipment, but you can get more performance out of it because you're getting quality equipment. But anyway, so that's going to be the end of this video. But I want to go over a few different things with you on how you can get better sound out of, like, a good quality sound. Going over those few different things, that will definitely help you. So if you have any questions for me, be sure to ask them below. If you don't mind, come and shop with me at downforsoundshop.com and check out all the new products that we're dropping all the time. And you can be sure to subscribe to my channel here and see all the new ones that we bring in. We'll be doing videos of those as well. So appreciate you joining me. See you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.